What's up, guys? This is Calvin.
And I'm Caesar FPV from NewBeeDrone. We have big news today, guys, for the whole FPV Whoop community.
We're launching the new high-performance 1S Whoop battery connector, the NewBeeDrone NX69.
So let's go ahead and take a deep dive into this new connector design because it's going to be the top of the food chain battery for the Whoops out there. So Kelvin, why did you decide to come out with the new battery connector when we already have the BT 2.0 connector?
Because NewBeeDrone, we always trying to innovate new technology to make things better. So we're trying to create a better connector to be future-proof for a higher C rating battery cell in the future.
So Kelvin, how long has this connector been in the making?
So back in the time that the BT 2.0 released to the market, we already thinking how we can make a plug that can be better than the BT 2.0. In the past couple years, we found multiple design. In here, I have some in here. This is actually the second design that we have, and it failed. The first design we have is something similar using the cylinder pin, like the BT 2.0. It's not meeting my requirement at the end, and also the production cost for that is too expensive. I don't want to make something that's already exists. So we ditched that design back in 2021. So between 2021 to 2023, during that time is COVID period. I can work with our engineer team closely to keep developing stuff. So we stopped for like 2 years, and we start picking back up in 2024, and we bring up another design, which is the second design. It's a pin style. It will build up heat, and when the plastic heats up, you'll get loose. So that design basically fell again. So one day when I'm thinking about this project, I accidentally see a power core, and it's exactly the idea I want. It can fix the problem we have to pass more current. It can also compatible with the previous PH 2.0. So it's a perfect idea for the new connector. And we finally get everything done in 2025 April. So when we get the first prototype back in April, it's kind of nervous and exciting. The nervous side is all the performance is based on the data from the engineer. I mean, the surface area is bigger, the structure is better, but we still don't test it in the real world. So the first test, it's very, very nervous, but it came up really good as the expectations.
That's some very good lore about the NX69 history, but I want to talk more about numbers. So first one is, why is it called 69?
So it's actually the performance data. It's actually 69.6% better than the BT 2.0 based on the mathematical data that we calculated.
So Kelvin, why was I able to get more performance out of the NX69 compared to the BT 2.0, even though it was the same battery, 1S?
Because the BT 2.0 is actually cannot keep up the current cell. The NX69 basically can let the battery cell to unleash more of its power. So the NX69 it's equal to a 18 gauge wire performance. So this is why we put a 20 gauge wire with the NX69 connector, because 18 gauge is actually too heavy and too big for a Whoop. Okay, so why we keep calling the NX69 is future-proof connector is because we'll always have new battery cells coming, and the next level of battery cells should be higher C rating compared to the current cell we have. This is why we make the NX69 that it can keep up with the future battery technology. This connector is literally built for the future.
Kelvin, this NX69 looks just like a PH2 2.0. Can I plug in an NX69 battery on the PH2?
Of course, try it.
Let me see, let's try. Oh shoot, you can.
So the NX69 is actually backward compatible with the PH 2.0 because there is still a lot of people, especially using brush whoop, they are still using PH 2.0. And then the NX69 battery with the solid pin PH 2.0 from the B-Brain brush, it can actually match up 97 to 98% of the performance as the BT 2.0.
Kelvin, so does that mean I have to get a whole brand new charger like when I switched over to BT 2.0s?
No, you don't have to because it's compatible with the PH 2.0, and then you can just use the PH 2.0 charger to charge the NX69. So you don't have to get a new charger for that.
Let me see. So this is the PH 2.0 connector, and then we got the battery right here, plugs right in, and we charge it.
Yep,
nice.
Perfect. So we want to make it as simple as possible for the user to transition from other plug to this plug. So each package, it actually comes with a pigtail inside with 4 battery, and you just have to solder it on to use it. It's very, very simple.
So Kelvin, can you talk to me more about these little metal pins inside that push the power from here to here?
Yes, of course. So the NX69 mechanical design it's very interesting. We actually make a U-shape metal pin on the battery side. It looks like a U shape. So when we plug in the drone side's pin to the battery side, the U-shaped pin is grabbing the metal pin from the drone side, just like this, grabbing it. It's also using STEM mode to make this part. It's precise and also durable. And for the material we use on the U-shaped pin, we use brass, so it's harder and it gets way more contact surface compared to the pin side, so we can use brass. So on the drone side, the cross section for the pin it's way less than the U-shape, so we want it to be able to pass more current. Then we use pure copper on it, and people will think about copper will get oxidized, right? So we do 24 karat gold plating on the drone side pin to make sure it will last for a long time.
Hey Kelvin, can we talk a little bit more about the pigtail connector?
Yeah, so the pigtail connector, it comes with a 90-degree style, so it's the best way to have the plug to plug in the battery. And then the wire that we use in here is 20 gauge, and overall everything together, the wire plus the connector is 1 gram. So using a 20 gauge wire with this connector is actually the sweet spot, even though it's not the lightest, but it will provide the best performance, the lower internal resistance for the entire system, from the cable to the connector. Okay, so for the battery cell, comes with the NX69. It's actually the Nitro Nectar battery cell. So far, I think it's probably rated the best battery cells all over the community. This is why a lot of people keep saying, like, why you guys don't make a Nitro Nectar comes with a BT 2.0 plug that will be the best. And now it is the NX69 with the Nitro Nectar cells. So with the top rating battery cell plus this plug, it can provide the best performance all over the market, I'm pretty sure. So we are also developing new technology on a 1S battery cell to have higher discharging rate to match the NX69 plug performance, and then it will come up in the near future. So we really went all out with this connector design. We are really confident that this connector will become the next gold standard for wood battery.
So Kelvin, how much are these new batteries going to cost with this new connector?
It will be the same price as the old battery, which is $16,999.
Hey Kelvin, I'm actually planning on ordering a new whoop. Is it going to come with the new NX69 connector?
Yes, of course. Any Hummingbird V4 or the Hummingbird RS V2 start shipping from today, we will all change the power lead to the NX69. So when you get it, it's ready to use.
We are very excited about this new connector and battery, so we cannot wait to get it into your hands. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for a lot more new products coming up.
Alright, thank you guys for watching this video, and have a great day. We will see you in the next video.